The trim function will work like it will remove the spaces from at the beginning and ending. And then we have explode, another function like which is also a string function which converts string into array. The main theme of this particular explode is a built-in function. The main theme of explode function is to convert the particular string into array. It will convert the particular string into array. How to use this particular explode in the sense? Let us define a variable as x. Let me make it as d z x equals to. I will assign a value for a particular variable hello world. I have assigned value as hello world, and then I will explore the values. Explore the values in the sense I will explore this particular string into two array components by using this particular space. To explore, I will provide the particular function. Inside this function, we have to provide for which you are splitting the values and then what value you have provided. I will assign the value as $x. Here what the case does in the sense, it will explore the particular string with the help of spaces, and then I have provided the entire variable. Is there any doubt? Till now I have discussed like trim function which will remove the beginning and ending spaces, and now we are discussing about explode. The main objective of explode is to convert the string into array. It will convert the string to array. It will convert the values into string to array. Here you can able to see this is the string. This is a string which is assigned to $x variable. Then I have defined a variable as $y. In the $y, I will assign the particular array by exploding spaces. You can able to see I have in the explode function I have provided space because in the particular hello world string there is a space. I will utilize this space to split the particular string into two array components. Here I use space and then I have provided the $x variable to it. If I print r of $y, you will get the output like you will get the value like hello as array, one element of the particular array, and then world as a second array component. Is this clear? We can explode by using space, by using comma, l plus comma, and then another hello world, then morning. I will provide some random characters. If I provide comma here and then explode $x and then return $y. If I make, you can able to see hello world morning. It has been exploded with the help of comma separation. You can provide spaces in which case you can utilize the explode by using the particular and then the value which I have to send, and then by using print and scroll you will get the value. Is this clear about the explode function? The main theme of explode function is to convert the string into array. It will convert the particular string into array. Is this clear? Hello? And then we have some more. Let us discuss some more the concepts. Here I will, in the string function we have concatenation as well. Let us make use of this. I will comment it out, and then I will define a variable $x and the value as hello, and then $y then the value as world. Define the value as world. Then we have string concatenation. To concat any string, we use dot operator. To concat any string, we use dot operator, dot $y, then echo $z. If you run this, it will concat the particular string, and then finally it will provide the output. Here you can able to see it has been concated two strings with the help of concat. By using dot operator, it will concatenate the particular two strings. If you need any space in between in between the particular string, you can provide dot, then dot. In between I will provide space. In this format you can provide space as well. Here I have provided space. In this format you have to provide the space by concatenating. Here we use dot to concat the particular string. Here I have by using concatenation I have provided space, and then for the space I have concatenated $y. Is this clear how concatenation works? Without concatenation also we can provide the output. Let me show you. Just I will assign $a. For this, without concatenation I will remove everything, and then if I echo, you have to provide these particular variables in the particular string format. Within the double quotes you have to provide the variables, then provide space. In this format also you can concat the strings by using dot operator without dot. If you run for both, you will get the same output. Have a look on the code, you will understand easily. Is this clear? Then let us move to some of the other built-in functions too. Let us define a variable. For this variable I will assign some value, hello world, and then now we are discussing about substring. How to get the particular substring from the provided string. Substring in the sense, within a particular string you can make multiple substrings. Here by using substring, let me show you some example. Echo, for substring we use sub str to find the substring. In this we have to provide some parameters, like I will provide some entire x, and then we have to provide the from starting position and then the ending position. We have to provide starting position and then the length. Starting position in the sense from where you have to make the particular string into substring. let us consider, let us count the length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the sixth position, I provide the offset. Offset in the sense, here you can able to see clearly for the particular substring, we have to provide parameters like we have to provide the string and then the offset value and then the length. Here I have provided the offset value as 6 because from the sixth position it should convert the particular string as a particular substring, and then we have to provide the length. Then I will provide length as 5 because the word has 5 letters. You can able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you print this particular output, you will get world as the output. If you make instead of 5, if you place 2, you will get WO. If you place 1, you will get only W. If you place 0, you will get nothing. If you place instead of 5, I will place 6. Then also it will get the same output. If I provide 100, also it will provide the same output. Is this clear? How to convert substring? In the substring, we have to provide parameters like string, then the position where to start, and then the size, how much length the substring should contain. Yeah, Vignesh, any doubts? Is this clear? How to convert a string into substring? Have a look at the code. Can we move other concept in PHP? Have you ever listened the type casting? Does anybody have any idea about the word casting? Hello, kindly reply. Does anybody have any idea about the which topic should I repeat one more time? Ravinder, hello, Ravinder. Okay, let me tell one more time about the substring. Substring is nothing but making a another string from the provided string. This is in the $x variable. Okay, Surender. Yes. Let me explain this one and then we will discuss about casting. Just converting a particular string into multiple substring. Substring in the sense making this particular string into getting a a small string from the particular provided string. For the substring function, you have to provide three parameters: the string value, and then the position where to start the substring, in the sense where should you start the particular position. Like you can you can calculate the count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 starts here. From the sixth position, you should the substring should start, and then length until how much length the substring should, what should be the length of the particular substring. By providing 5, it will get all the value. If you provide 1, it will take w alone from the sixth position to the length is 1, so it will consider w. Is this clear? Explode method. Okay, here explode. Explode is nothing but, here we are making particular string into array. Here you can able to see $x is a particular string with separated with commas. You can able to see hello is a word, the world is a word, then morning is a word, but separated with commas. You can able to see comma, then here also comma. Here explode function makes the particular string into parts. It will convert the particular string into parts by making, here you have to tell on which basis does the particular string should convert into pieces. Here I have provided like comma. It will consider like in wherever he finds the particular comma, it will make the particular piece as a one item. It will make commas as a particular items. Inside I will provide entire string, in the sense in the particular $x, in the $x variable, it will find commas. It will find the commas, and then it will split into particular separate items, and then separate items, and provide the output as a array. It is a initially it is a array. It will split the particular string into multiple pieces basis of comma, or else you can provide anything. If you place spaces, if you have spaces, on basis of spaces also you can provide. Just you have to provide the on which basis you have to split, then the particular string, and the on with in this basis it will split the particular string into multiple items, and then showcase the output as a array. This is clear. Now let us discuss what is typecasting. The word itself tells about typecasting. Typecasting. So many has provided correct answers. Typecasting is nothing but converting one data type to another data type. In PHP also we use typecasting to convert one data type to another data type. For example, if you provide any integer value like 5 in the runtime, you need only string instead of integer value. In the time, we will convert the particular integer value into string by using typecasting. Let us see one example so you can easily understand how typecasting works. Let us consider a variable. For this variable, I will assign value as 1. I have assigned the value as 1. Here, when I print the type of the particular variable, $x variable, you will get the output as int, because it is an integer of length 1, integer of value of 1. Now how to typecast, in the sense I will assign another variable. Now I will define another variable like y. Just you have to provide the in which method should convert, like I will provide string, it should convert into string, then the variable. Now the particular x is an integer, but now I have converted the particular into string. If you make var temp of $y, you will get the output as string, because now I have converted the particular data type into string. Is this clear? Does anybody guess? I will write a simple program. Does anybody guess what will be the output of the particular program? I will define a variable $x. For this x variable, I will assign a string value. I will assign 6 liters as a string value. Now I will convert this particular variable into integer, int, and then $x. Now can anyone guess what will be the output of the particular program? See the program carefully. What will be the output of the particular program? Does anybody know? Somebody provided int as 6. I need more replies. If don't know, int string, need more replies. Can I show the output? The output will be int of 6. In the typecasting, when we convert a particular string into integer, it will take only numbers. It will neglect the string. Is this clear? That too, the particular string should start with number. Let us consider, I will define same variable. I will make, for this I will remove the 6 and then I will place 6 over here. Now anybody guess what will be the output of the particular program? the output of this particular program will be int of 0. The output will be int of 0 because in casting the string, if the string starts with any integer, it will consider the integer. If doesn't start with any integer, it will consider it as a 0. Have you got the difference between 6 letters and letter 6? In the same format, we can cast into float, then string, then array, then boolean. Let us have an example with each one and then we will move. Let us have an example with float. Let me provide 5.34 as the value of $x. Let us 3.14 pi value. Then now I will cast the particular into int. If I cast particular into int, the output will be the 3. The output will be 3 because 3.14, it will consider 3, it will neglect the 0.14. If you make 3 and then if you cast into float, it will provide the output as float of 3. Is this clear? If you cast into float, let us take the same example like 6 liters, you will get the same output as we have used as int. If you make use of float, then also we will get the output as 6 because the string started with number. Then we have array. Let us make this particular into the value of 4. Here I typecast the value into array. Then I have typecasted the particular integer value into array. Then var dump of $y. The output will be in the array at the 0th position. It will provide the particular var dump value like integer with value of 4. Is this clear? And then we will move with math function in the Laravel in the PHP. Let us move with the math function. Math function is nothing but that allows to perform mathematical task in PHP. Math function is nothing but which allows to perform mathematical operations in the PHP. Let us make some examples. We have built-in function which is a math function which is used to make mathematical calculations in the PHP. Let us have an example. I will provide echo of pi. If you make this like function, you will get the output, the pi value. Just I have called the pi function. You will get the pi value. Then we have some more examples. Echo. Let us find an example like to find the maximum minimum of the maximum number and the minimum length of the particular string. Let us find minimum. In the minimum function, we have to provide the values. Let us make 1, 3, 6, 8, 9. Then what will be the output of the particular program? Here I will provide max. By using minimum function, it will print the minimum value from the particular array of elements. Here you can able to see if you run this, you can able to see the minimum value from the array is 1 and then max value as 9. Just min and max function. Then we have absolute value like echo. ABS is a absolute function. ABS nothing but it will return the absolute positive value. It will provide the absolute positive value. If you provide any negative values inside this, if you provide any negative values in it, it will convert the negative values into positive values. I have provided -5 on running, you will get the output as 5. By using ABS function, it will convert the negative values into positive values. Here you can able to see you will get the output as 5. By using ABS, it will convert the particular value to absolute positive value. Then in max we have square values. Let us discuss that. Echo, we have same function as sqrt, which is a square function. Here you will calculate the particular square root of the particular value. If you provide 81, what is the square value of 81? You will get output as 9. By using square, you will get the absolute square value. If you make any point values as well, it will provide the absolute values. It is the square value of particular number. Till now, anybody have any doubts? Hello. Kindly reply if you have any doubts. I will clarify. Then we have round function. Round function is nothing but it will round the floating points. If I make with the example, I will discuss. I will show you with the example. Here echo. Then I have round function. Inside this round function, I will provide some values. I will provide some value like if I provide 0.6, it will consider the value as it will round the value. Here I have used round then the 0.6 as the value. If I run, you will get 1 because the value has been above 0.5. How actually round function works in the sense, if the value is above 0.5, it will consider it as 1. If the value is below 0.5, it will consider the value as below value, before value. If the value has 3.4, it will consider as 3. If the value has 3.6, it will make the value as 4. Let me show you 3.6 and then 3.4. In this case, you will get the value as 4. In this case, you will get the output as 3. Is this clear? Round function. Then we have random function. Random function in the sense, it will create random numbers. Echo of random function. It will provide a random number. You can able to see it has been provided random number. On every shuffle, it will provide random numbers. Have you seen? On every refresh, you will get random numbers by using random function. You can place parameters as well for the particular, like from where to where the random number should get. Let me show you with example. If the random number should come in between 1 and 10, if you provide 1 comma 10, the random numbers will be get from 1 and 10. If you refresh, the numbers will start from 1 and 10. In between, you will get the random numbers. This is the starting and then this is the ending. In between, you will get the output. It is clear. Have a 5 minutes of break and then join the session immediately. Later we will discuss some of the operators in the PHP as well. In PHP also we have operators and then some other functions. Let us discuss those in the after 5 minutes. Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, let us continue the session. Now we will discuss about operators in PHP. Operator, in previous classes we have discussed about operators. Operator is a symbol which is used to perform some of the calculations like this. In PHP also we have some of the operators like arithmetic operator and then assignment operator, comparison operator, increment or decrement operator, then logical operator, then string operator, then we have array operator, then conditional assignment operator. These are all the operators which we have in the PHP. Let us discuss one by one each with an example so you will easily understand. Let us start with arithmetic operator. In arithmetic operator, we have some of the concepts like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponent. For each, we will explain with the example. I will provide a 10, then $y as 10, then echo $x plus $y minus star divided by then we have exponent. These are all the operators which you have in the arithmetic operator. It will perform the addition operation, then it will perform subtraction, it will make multiplication, then with this you will get the remainder by providing percentile. By this you will get the quotient, then by this you will get the exponential value of the particular values. If I run this, you will get output like, I will provide big. This will be the output of the particular program. 20 as addition, and 0 as subtraction, then 100 as multiplication. For division, there is 0 as remainder, then quotient as 1, then exponent value as this much. Are you clear with arithmetic operator? Now we will discuss about assignment operator. Assignment operator. Assignment operator is nothing but assigning a value to the particular value, like $x equals to 10. This is a assignment because I have used equals to. Here you can able to see for the $x I have assigning a value of 10, so it is an assignment operator. Then in the echo I will print $x. This is a assignment operator. In this assignment operator we have something like echo of, I will define one variable, $y equals to, let us take x as well, x plus equals to 100. Here I have assigned a value of, I have assigned value of 100 to the particular x value. Initially the x value as 10. Now I have assigned a value of 100 to the particular x. Here assignment operator, in the sense how it works, in the sense initially the x value as 100, x equals to dollar x plus 100. For this condition, the actually it works like this. Initially the value as 10, here the 10 will come, 10 plus 100, the output will be 110. If you run this, you will get 10 as initially $x value as 10, and then after assignment you will get the value as 100. In the same way, we have $x minus equals to 100. I have decremented the value. Here I can able to see the $x equals to $x minus 100. Actually the output will be like $x equals to 10 plus 100. In this case $x equals to, initially the value is 110. Now here 110 minus 100, the value will be 10. Check once, you will get 10. Is this clear? Is this clear about assignment operator? How assignment operator works? In this assignment, we have one more $x star equals to 10. Now the output will be, can anybody guess? Output will be $x equals to $x into 10. The output will be $x will be there. Initially $x value as 10, then star 10. Output will be 100. If you run, you will get output as 100. Is clear? All works based on in this format alone. Does anybody have any doubt regarding the assignment operator? Now let us move with comparison operator. Comparison operator is nothing but, with the help of comparison operator, we will compare two values and then we will return the output. Let us define variable $x as 100. I will assign value as 100. Then I will assign another variable $y. I will provide value as, in the string I will provide 100. Now we have to check whether it is correct. I will use var_dum to check the condition whether $x equals to $y. Is the condition is true? I need reply. What will be the output of the particular thing? The same thing which we have discussed in the JavaScript concepts. Here you have to see the code, like I have used var_dum also. The output will be bool and then true. It will define the data type also, because I have used var_dum. And then if the value is true, because it doesn't care about the data type, it will care only with the value. If you provide double equals, if you provide triple equals, it will provide the output as false, because the data type and the values also should be the same. If I run, you will get bool as false, because it should follow both the data type should be same and then values should be same, then only it will work. Then we have not equals to, not equals. Now the output will be false, because in not equals it doesn't care about the data type, it will care about the values. Here $x value as 100, then $y value as 100. If both are not equals, false, because $x and $y are equals, so it will provide output as false. If I provide not equal equals, then the output will be true, because it will check the condition also. The data type should be the same. Here 100, here also 100, but it also check with the data type. If you provide double equals, it will check the identicals as well. And then in not equals we can provide in this format also. This is also not equals. For this case, you will get the output as false because $x and $y are equals. It will doesn't care about data type by using like this. If you it doesn't care about data type. This is clear. Does anybody have any doubt regarding the comparison operator? Hello. Now we will move with increment or decrement operator. Let us define a variable $x value as 10. If you make $x, I will provide echo, then $x. Now anybody guess what will be the output of the particular program? The output will be 11. It will increment the value. If I make the plus plus after, can anybody guess what will be the output of the particular program? The output will be 10. The main difference between the above and below is nothing but the echo statement. Here you can able to see initially the $x value as 10. Everybody can see the $x value as 10. When it goes to the echo statement, initially we have $x, so it will directly print the $x value. It will print the $x value and then it will increment. In the below case, first of all it will increment the value and then print the value. So at the first condition you will get the value as 10 but not 11. In the below case, it will increment the value to 11 and then print. So you will get the value as 11. Is this clear about increment? Is this clear about increment? And in the same format, the decrement also it works. Then let us move with logical operators. This is a increment or decrement operator. Now let us move with logical operators. In logical operators, we have some of the operators like AND, OR, XOR, and OR not. These are all the operators which you have in the logical operator. Let us discuss one by one. Initially, let us define a variable $x. I will assign the value for $x as 10. I will assign the value of 10 to the $x variable. Now I will assign $y value as 10. I will assign $y value as 10. Now I will write a condition like if $x equals equal to I will provide two equals, then 10 I will use and $y equals 10, then echo, in the echo I will provide both are equal. If not, I will not provide anything. Here both the condition should true, then only it will print the particular output. Let me show you. Both are equal because both are equal here, because this condition also satisfied and then this condition also satisfied. If the any one condition false, it doesn't move to the it doesn't provide any output because one condition has been false, one condition is true and the other condition is false, so it will not execute this particular condition. And then we have or. If you provide or, it doesn't care about both the conditions should be true, like there is no formalities. If any condition is true, it will print the output. Here you can able to see, here this condition is true but this condition is false, even though it has print the output. Then we have XOR. XOR also same. XOR is nothing but the condition how it works in the sense, if either $x or $y is true but not both, the both the statement should not equal, but either but not here both the condition should not true, but either first condition or second condition should true, but the both the condition should not be true. This is the condition, like both the condition should not be true, either first condition or second condition should be true. If you provide, you will get the same output because first condition is true but the second condition is not true. If you provide both the condition as true, same, you will get nothing because both the conditions are true. In XOR, both the conditions should not true, either first condition or second condition should be true. Is this clear? And then we have a logical and this is also works with same as and operator. Both the conditions should be true, then only it will return the output. And then we have logical OR. This also will be the same, either first condition or second condition should be true. And then we have not. If the condition is true, let us make example. If not of $x equals to 10, I'll provide 11 in the echo. 11 is true. Here the condition is checks like not, in the sense initially the x value as 10, but x value I am defining like 11. It will check the condition if the condition is false. Let me show you the output. Then we have string operators. Let us discuss string operators. String operators are nothing but concatenation. How to we have discussed like how to concat two strings. Let us define a variable x equals to hello. We have a word. Then $y we have world. To concat these two strings, we can use dot operator. As I have said, we can concat by using dot operator. Dot y, you will get the output as hello world. There is another method to concat the particular two strings. The string is nothing but the value is nothing but here initially I have dollar x value as hello. Initially I have x value as hello. Now I will define another variable $y equals to world. I have another variable like $y equals to world. Now I will concat this particular y to the particular x. I will define another variable with instead of defining another variable $x dot equals to $y. Here I have been concating $y value to the particular x value. Now I will print the $x. Now I will print the $x. Now the output will be same hello world. Initially the x value as hello, then y value as world. For the x itself, I have been concating $y. We use dot equals to $y. In this format, we can concat the two strings. Is this clear? How to concat strings? Hello, kindly reply. Till now, anybody have any doubts? Hello, kindly reply. Till now, anybody have any doubts regarding any concepts? By tomorrow, we will be learning about condition statements in PHP. We have conditional statements like if else, for loops, and then other loops. We will discuss by tomorrow. After that, we will be discussing SQL, and then again we will discuss about PHP, how to connect PHP with MySQL. After learning SQL, then only we will come back with the same concepts about the PHP, how to connect the database, and then how to create tables by using PHP. Other concepts also we will discuss in the further classes. We will wind up the session. Thank you.